The era of the polite and obedient AI helper may well be dying a slow death. This week, Perplexity AI introduced something it calls Perplexity Computer. It's not a new laptop, not a rival to the MacBook or the ThinkPad. It's software that doesn't just assist, it acts. Insiders are already calling in their version of OpenClaw, the ultimate fusion, the God mode for digital tasks, if you will. A massive unified super orchestrator designed to act as your autonomous digital worker. Most AI tools today behave like the enthusiastic intern in the room. You hand over a task, it delivers, then of course it looks back at you for the next one. What Perplexity AI is moving toward feels very different. The brief goes in and the system starts coordinating. It pulls in the right tools, gathers what it needs, makes choices and keeps the process moving without waiting to be nudged. That change in posture, well, from responding to driving is the part worth watching out for. Okay, so before we actually deep dive into, I know what I have to say to you and it's important. I know you like our videos. Comment on our videos that help us grow as a community. Please give us the name suggestions for our community in the comments. We will pick the best one. Also, hype this video if you think people should know about all of this and a lot more. And now, of course, back to the Perplexity drama. Most AI companies want your total undivided attention. Google would like you to safely stay inside Gemini. OpenAI would prefer you stay put in GPT. Once you're in, the doors don't exactly swing both ways. Then, of course, Perplexity AI walks in like the hitman who works for no family, no loyalty, no permanent alliance. 19 different specialists. Whoever gets the job done gets the call. Claude Opus 4.6 is the reasoning engine, the big brain. Gemini is the research grunt. ChatGPT 5.2 handles the long-tail web search. Grok, well, that's for the fast, dirty task. No surprises there. Nano Banana and VEO 3.1 are the creative directors for your visuals. It routes the work to whoever fits the task best. Pure meritocracy. No loyalty to the chip, only to what delivers. And then, of course, there's the next twist. What used to take a 48-hour work week now compresses into 48 seconds. Wow. And for the hustle culture, that's either a dream headline or a small panic attack. You tell it casually, for example, launch a renewable energy news site. Then, of course, you step out for a quick coffee, which turns into, well, let's say 20 minutes of waiting because the barista has written sushi instead of sudhi on the cup. And of course, this has happened. And of course, now she is confidently shouting it across the cafe. By the time you've collected your beverage and explained that you are not raw seafood, there isn't a to-do list waiting at home. The research by Perplexity Computer is done. The trends mapped, the code written, the branding is sorted. The site is live. And while, of course, you're still correcting the spelling of your own name, it's already tracking the traffic. I mean, of course, the online kind. This is the shift from AI as a search engine to AI as an employee. It performs like you've added, well, 10 people to payroll without actually adding 10 people to the payroll. And this is where the smooth pitch meets reality. This thing has persistent memory. It doesn't forget when you close the tab. It runs for months. It follows up on long-term goals. So basically, if a sub-agent hits a brick wall, if an API breaks, it doesn't alert you with a system error. It spawns a new agent, a digital troubleshooter, to fix the first agent. It's agents all the way down. Total autonomy or total chaos. Well, the decision is yours. Arvind Srinivas is making a wager by giving the ad model a break, which makes way for no more sponsored links cluttering your computer. It is boiling down to usage-based pricing, starting at $200 a month for max subscribers. We, of course, keep mentioning the fact that the trillion-dollar dream is expensive, because it is. You pay for the compute, which makes the boss and not the product. But then, can the average 24-year-old freelancer swing a $200 monthly subscription? That's the real point of discussion here, giving rise to the question that is peak productivity only for the elite? And here, of course, is the front page take. Safety is where this story now turns. We've all seen the cautionary tales. Systems sending the wrong message, deleting the wrong file, moving faster than their makers intended. Perplexity AI says it has built its safeguard, a controlled environment, isolated, contained, clear boundaries. A new idea of the computer is definitely taking shape. Not a box on your desk anymore, but a presence in the cloud, carrying out intent. You choose the ambition. It executes the detail. And perhaps the real question is not whether machines can think, but whether we are prepared to think more carefully ourselves. Because power has never been the problem. Judgment, accountability, and control usually are. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, think AI, think AIM.